And the exercise I'm going to show you how to do an ab machine, okay? Great exercise for the core, all right? So when doing the exercise, it's really simple, okay? You want to go ahead and set your weight to your desired weight. You want to go ahead and sit down just like this. Make sure you always have your chest up, shoulders roll back, and then come down just like that, all right? Just make sure your head is rested on the back of the chair when doing the exercise, all right? And do it nice and controlled, okay? Nice and slow. Try not to go fully out like that where you're fully relaxed. As you can see, I always try to keep and hold that tension into the core. So when you're doing the exercise, you'll feel what I'm talking about, all right?
You follow the Fresh Prince.
This is how you do ab machine.